What's happening, YouTube? Charles and Chargers back for another video. And if you saw my original rookie card explosion box the other day, I got the golden ticket, and I just got them in the prize in the mail today. So we get right into it. Again, thank you so much to Filmington for putting the explosion box together. Always a fun rip. And I was ecstatic to win the golden ticket. And this month's prize was 2 jumbo packs, 2018 update. So let's get right into it. I was ecstatic to open that up and see the golden ticket on top. That was pretty cool. Very, very happy. All right. Starting off with Yan Gomes, Leonard Martin, Garrett Cole, Jesse Biddle, rookie, Yanni Chirinos, rookie, Matt Harvey, Derek Rodriguez, Daniel Winkler, Austin Meadows, rookie debut, Arodys Vizcaino, Lorenzo Cain, Marco Gonzalez, Salvi Perez, Tommy Canley, Manny Machado, Rhys Hoskins, Home Run Derby rookie, Danny Valencia, Paul Goldschmidt, Gene Segura, Trevor Cahill, Tyson Ross. That's cool. Mr. 3000. Marcelo Ozuna. Brian Dozier. Jacob Nottingham, rookie. Kevin Gossman. Scooter Gennett. Eric Lauer, rookie gold. 388 of 2018. Lindor, Yelich, foil, Storybook Endings, Andy Pettitte, 2013, Tommy Pham, throwback, Jacob Barnes, rookie, Ramos, Cishek, Madsen, oh sweet, got the Soto rookie debut. Cool. Castillo and Lockett. Zach Cozart. We just become best friends. Charlie Culberson. Luis Valbuena. Anthony Banda, rookie. Cole Hamels, Ildemaro Vargas, rookie, Joey Wendell, rookie, Arenado, Logan Morrison, Sal Romano, and Mike Fiers. All right. Pack number 1, we did get the Soto rookie debut. Here we go, pack 2. Corbin, Brinson, Joey Bats, Cashner, Palka rookie, Lyles, Springer, Dustin Fowler rookie, Daniel Mengden, rookie. J.A. Happ. Baez. Neil Walker. Yan Gomes. Leonis Martin. Cole. Eugenio Suarez. Dickerson. Mookie Betts. Having a hell of a season. Vargas. Story. Devin Mesoraco. Ryan Yarbrough, rookie. Shin-Soo Choo. Duvall. Guzman, rookie. Jonathan Scope. My boy Mark Canha. Paxton throws a no-no. Gold, 1183 out of 2018. Ichiro. Oh, that works. The Shohei, it's a rookie debut, but it's a foil. All right, that works. Storybook ending. Jeter, 2014. Joey Bats. Kenley Jansen. Aguilar, Verlander, Ziegler, Engel, Vasquez, Matt Adams, Valentin and Walding, Hosmer. That's always a cool card. Japan's Finest, Ichiro and Ohtani. Chris Stratton, rookie. Nelson Cruz. Mad Max. Austin Meadows, rookie. Willie Adames, rookie. John Lester. Dominic Leone and Franmil Reyes, rookie. Okay, so got one in each pack. We got the Ohtani rookie debut foil. And we got the Soto rookie debut. Very cool. Very happy with that. Can't go wrong there. So, all right, that's it, guys. Again, thank you to Filmington for always putting rookie box together, rookie explosion box together. It's always fun. And I was thrilled to win the golden ticket. So, be looking forward to the boxes next month. And that's it for this one, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Talk to you later.